hang up and try again.
Why don't you text Trevor and get a hold of him? See what he's doing.
Okay.
Why are you tapping your phone like that?
Get a hold of Trevor.
What's it do with the tapping?
I don't have texting anymore, so I'm using my my Morse Code app. It's pretty sweet.
Morse Code App?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. That doesn't exist.
It works really well. I mean, all you gotta do is just learn all the letters.
You have way too much time on your hands. Here. Use my phone.
Dude, I am almost done. I almost have it.
No, come on. How far could you be in? Like one word?
I'm pretty good at Morse code.
You
man.
use big words. I don't think you're gonna get it. It's gonna take you forever.
Well, your phone is superfluous.
I don't have all day, Andrew. Okay?
I'm almost done.
What did you just call? Never. You know what? Just use my phone.
I don't want to use your crappy phone.
Use my phone.
I have an iPhone.
It's a keyboard.
I have Morse code.
No. Use my phone.
No, there's no Morse code.
Don't you throw that. Don't throw it. Don't. It's right. No. I've had enough.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm gonna learn Morse code.
You don't know Morse code.
Well, I'm gonna learn it.
Oh yeah, do you know what this means? Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, what?
You beep, 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 beep,
Beep, bop, bop, boop, boop.
beep, 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 beep,
Beep, bop, boop, bop.
beep, boop, boop, beep, boop.
How could you say that?
Sorry. No, I didn't mean that. Dude, come on, I didn't.
You know what? You can beep, bop, boop, bop.
I didn't know you knew Morse code.
Bop boop bop bee buddy bee boo, beep bop boop bop bee buddy boo, bop beep bop boop bop bee buddy bee boo.
I just got all that.
Yeah, I figured you did.
Screw you.